Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll explain how to change the keyboard in WhatsApp easily so you can type the way you like. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone from the home screen or app drawer. This is important because all keyboard changes happen while you are inside a chat. Step 2. Tap on the chat icon at the bottom right corner to open your chat list. This shows all your conversations and lets you choose where to type. Step 3. Select any chat where you want to type a message. You can choose any contact because the keyboard works the same in all chats. Step 4. Tap on the text box at the bottom of the chat screen to bring up the keyboard. This is where your current keyboard becomes active. Step 5. Look for the keyboard switch button on the keyboard, usually shown as a globe, gear, or keyboard icon. This button is used to change between installed keyboards. Step 6. Tap and hold the keyboard button for a few seconds to open the keyboard selection menu. This menu displays all keyboards available on your phone. Step 7. Swipe left or right to browse through the available keyboards and layouts. This helps you explore different languages, styles, or themes. Step 8. Tap on the keyboard you want to use to select it. Once selected, the keyboard will instantly change in WhatsApp. Step 9. Start typing your message using the newly selected keyboard. You can switch back anytime by repeating the same steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.